After completing this lesson, the students should be able to 1. Illustrate the contour line drawings used in illustration. 2. Differentiate the techniques in contour line drawing. 3. Draw a contour line illustration following the correct steps and techniques. Recap. Identification. Name the lines used in the following illustrations and paintings. In our last lesson, we learned that the first thing we usually do when we start a drawing is make a line. Today, we'll talk about a special kind of line called a contour line. Contour line drawing is more than just a beginner step. It helps train your eyes and hands to work together. Artists use it as a daily warm-up before doing detailed drawings. A contour line drawing shows the outline of a figure or object. It focuses on the shape and edges, no shading or tiny details, just the full form of what you see. The word contour comes from French and means outline. When making a contour line drawing, artists focus on the edges of the object and draw what they see. When starting out, students are often asked to draw a hand from a real model. At first, the drawing might look like image A, where the fingers seem like sausages. This happens because the mind is guessing what a hand looks like, instead of really looking closely at the shapes and edges. Contour drawing trains you to draw what you see, not just what you think you see. If you really look at the model, you'll see contours, the lines around the edges of the palm and fingers. When you break the subject into lines and shapes, it becomes much easier to draw. After all, everything we draw is just a mix of lines and shapes. You just need to draw what you see, not what you think it looks like. Types of contour line drawing: blind contour, modified blind contour, continuous line contour, cross contour. Blind contour. This line drawing contains lines that are drawn without looking at the paper at all. Blind contour drawing helps you train your eyes to see real shapes. You draw without looking at your paper, so the result might look funny, but that's okay. The goal is to help your hand follow your eyes, not your memory. Modified blind contour. This technique is the same as blind contour drawing, but this time, you can look at your paper from time to time and pick up your pencil, then continue with drawing. Continuous line contour. This is a contour drawing technique done without picking your pencil off the paper. You can draw this contour technique with or without looking at your paper. The simple rule in this technique is never lift your pencil once you started drawing. No erasers, and don't stop until you are done with the illustration. Cross contour. These are lines that travel across the subject's form. It follows the form of the subject's surface using curved parallel lines. Contour line drawings are made using only lines. That's why shading is not needed. Just focus on the outline and shape of the subject. All right, class. Today we're going to practice 4 types of contour line drawing to improve your observation and drawing skills. We'll do 4 quick drawings, each with a different technique. Don't worry about making perfect drawings, just focus on following the instructions and having fun. You will answer 5 items by filling in the missing terms or concepts in each sentence. Write only the answers on your notebook. No need to copy the questions.